Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, tonight another video, another review. At this time I'm still on the reviews of knife. One great knife. If you look at the capsule you'll know what it is. It's one of the best, one of the good offering of the Chinese knife. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. There might be some background noise because it is warm in Montreal. We're at the end of July and it's still in the 30s. It happens in Canada that we have a little warm. The door is open, the ventilator is functioning. If not, I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna sweat like a pig in camera, so bear with the background noise. Hopefully it's not going to be that bad. Tonight's knife, as you saw in the intro, the Tekut zero. Okay. Here, can it focus? Tekut, and on the blade you see the 0. This particular one, because I have two of the Tekut, well I have three, but the third one is more of a pocket knife collectors. I will come back to that one way later. But these two are not in the next review. I'll be reviewing the other Tekut. It's one of the first offering that they have with a very peculiar pocket clip. The pocket clip is not only deep, like you see here, but if you move the pocket clip or when you push your knife in your pocket, it's ultra deep. So the knife falls in the bottom of your pocket, literally, and it's not visible at all. This is what attracted me to the Tekut itself. My knife is dirty. I've been carrying this one for a while. The other one, not so much, but interesting nonetheless. So we're gonna review those twos, trying to get it clean at the same time. Yeah, dirt get into the knife when you put it in your pocket. What is good with this one is it is very compact. It's a small size. If I open the blade, it's a 4-finger knife. It's not a full size, but a 4-finger knife. What's particular in it is that it is thin. Makes me think of the Riot, the Reich 181, I think, compact that I have. Not here, but at Quebec City. So very thin in thickness. I'll get my caliber and we'll measure it. Let's make the 0. The thickness of 10 millimeter. Okay, if I go in inch, that means 0.4 inches thick, which make it very thin. And with the deep pocket clip, makes it for almost an invisible beside the face of the clip, an invisible cary. Not much to say about 12 C27 steel, Sandvik steel, nice steel, stay sharp a long time, easy to take care of. It's a stainless. They do have their own serial number. Hello. It's difficult for me to see if you see it because all kind of glare on it. I think you see it. Their own serial number. So we do have a couple of knives from the Chinese that are serial numbered. So it's interesting because they're not that expensive. You got to be careful when you buy on GearBest. Price varied a lot, so if you wait for deals, daily deals, and you check every day, you'll be able to get a knife not so expensive. Right now they are around $30. Surprisingly enough, both of them the same price. Okay, it flips open easily. There's phosphor bronze, I think they are phosphor bronze washer. Yeah, well, at least, yeah, both of them, and or at least one of them, but the other one is dark, so it's difficult to see. So, nice knife, well constructed. I'll give you a close-up, a very nice close-up. Very simple knife. So, scales are G10, textured, so enough grippiness on it. Not square, so they're tapered here. And the liner are, how do you say that? Incorporated in the G10, so they don't stick out, but if I incline, you kind of see the metal. Okay, these ones are thin liners to reinforce the inside of the knife. My knife is dirty as hell. Huh. You've got two pylon my word just don't come out tonight. So we've got the pins here are basically well, the scales are G10 with the liner inside the scale, so they're cut in so they don't appear on the edge. That's why it's less, they don't have that thickness added to it. You've got hourglass shaped pins. Okay, they're all built into Torx construction one side, no Torx on the other side for the pin, neither for the pivot, so hopefully they're D-shaped. In the scale, the clip will go only one side because it is also inserted inside the G10 on the liner, and it has all the retention system right here. You see it there, those two lines. That's what makes this able to clip and on and off. So it has a retention ball on it. So simple knife, nice blade shape. Okay, eye saber with a drop point, nice choil that takes out whatever it's not needed, easy to sharpen, 12C27 steel. So pretty good knife. They work well, they carry well. The only drawback, and that's the only drawback of that, once folded and put into your pocket, the clip is so deep that you have to reach for the clip to be able to retrieve the knife because you have no grasp on the knife. So if you were at this position, you could grab the edge of the knife and pull it. But once it's open like this, you have just no reach to get it. So you have to put your finger on the clip and pull it with the clip so you can grab the knife outside of your pants. So that's the only drawback. It's a drawback because you're going full deep, almost 1 centimeter deep, half an inch, basically deeper into the yeah, that's half an inch deeper into your pocket, so you can't grab the knife. You have to grab the clip and drag the knife out. It's a little less accessible. It won't be a quick deploy, but it will be working great. The washers, perfect. They open on the flick of the finger. Even though this knife is a little small, it is small for my hand, it works pretty well to deploy, and the handle is really comfortable. Almost too thin, but it feels great in the hand and it works well. I'll keep it short because I can babble by it for hours. So Jesse liked these ones. even Simone like these ones. So if you want to take a chance, you can order them on GearBest for about $30 right now. If you wait, you might hit them at $15, which is pretty good. And if you want to be refunded if the custom gets it, get the insurance. They started not to refund completely when you don't take the insurance. So on my 2 knives, I've lost half of it. So, do I like Tekut? That's another make I've discovered. It is great. It is not so expensive, and they do have a couple of knives. These two, the next one also, you'll see, is a winner. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.